Basically, this is going to be able to curve over the roof of our bike. We'll never have to charge up ever again.
Welcome to part 3 of the pedal-powered motorhome. Harvesting the power of the sun.
These guys, Fly SolarTech, have given us 3 solar panels. Each one's 110 watts, so that's 330 watts in total. 330 watts would charge this small bike battery in a few hours. Each of the 3 panels has a positive and negative lead, which we're going to take to our charge controller. The battery goes on here, so I should be able to switch the battery on. Nothing. Okay, I think I need to put this outside. It's working. The battery's on 42 volts, which is right. Something smells like it's burning. We've tested the first solar panel, works perfectly. We're going to test all 3 panels out on here and see if the bike will run on just the power of the sun. So these panels are actually polycrystalline. It's sort of bonded in this thick plastic. Panel number 2. Apparently I shouldn't be bending them that way. They need to be convex, not concave. The prototype solar configuration is complete. Just got to see if it works. Thanks, guys. Okay, all 3 panels are wired up in parallel. Charge controller's wired up on the bike. What I want to do is flatten the battery and actually see if this will charge purely from the sun. Okay, we'll just leave that running like that and it should flatten the motor. This thing's never going to run out. This is definitely going flat now. We're down to 1 blip on the battery. Putting the brake on to try and... So that is now charging, but we're only getting 1 watt. But it is pretty cloudy. Okay, we go 15 watts. We've done 1/3 of a watt hour now in 2 minutes. Nice. So that's not bad. So I want to prove to myself that the panels actually do something. You can see the battery's completely flat. The motor won't run. But in theory, if we've got enough power coming in from the sun right now, we can go. I could probably just see if it goes. Yeah, go. So right now, it wouldn't really move without the power. So actually there's not enough. It built that up, but it's not enough to constantly move. That's all it'll do. But if the sun comes out, this could be the moment of truth. 10 minutes in not much sun, it doesn't do much. What we need is bright, direct sun. Okay, just wait for this cloud. We're going to be doing a lot of waiting for clouds. Weather, London. Okay, here we go. Weather, London. Partly cloudy, but you can see like 2 o'clock, it's going to be really sunny. In 3 hours, I could just be purely powered by the sun. It's the dream. Or in 3 hours, it might be the disappointing realization that actually you can't drive directly from the sun. Oh right, 22 watts constant, 22 watts. 22 watts in this kind of sun, it's not too bad. And as it comes out now, okay, there's definitely a big bit of blue up there. I think maybe the sun's over there. Should we go around there? Let's go and see if we can get in the sun. Now there's the patch of sun. There's a bit of sun. I think it's gone in again. Maybe should we go right down the front? Definitely feels like there's a little bit more power. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Hey! It's coming out, the sun's coming out. I don't know. It's nothing now, but it is working. I'm just not getting a constant amount of power, but then it's still cloudy. But, I mean, I haven't pedaled really, and it was moving me around. Okay, I'm now getting 50 watts at 1.4 amps. We've had 7 watt hours already in 20 minutes. I guess the other thing maybe is giving them a good clean. They've probably got a bit dusty. Also, because it's winter, I guess the sun's lower in the sky, so you don't get so much. This is really more of a summery vehicle. $70 watt, 80 watts. Off we go. Still not as much power as I was hoping. So really what we need is 250 watts, and I think that's probably like direct sun overhead. I'm going to leave it to charge for a couple of hours in the sun and see whether that makes any difference. If it doesn't, then there's something seriously wrong. But hopefully it's just a bit of a lack of sun. Okay, we'll leave it here for maybe an hour, see if I can bomb off. Just literally down there at high speed. So it's actually got like a little thing on the battery symbol saying, you know, half charged. It's really good. So we've done 130 watt hours now. It's currently charging at 84 watts. I mean, basically, if it doesn't work now, then it's just never going to work. This is it. Hopefully now I'll just be able to launch off. So I'm just going to push the trigger and off we go. Here we go. Hey, it worked! Motoring on the power of the sun. This is the first solar ride. We're using the battery up, but actually it's still charging. I kind of get the feeling that we could actually just keep going now as long as the sun stays out. I think I doubted that it would actually work. But that's a solar powered car now. The next thing is to sort of work out, if I leave it in the sun, how long it takes to fully charge, which I guess I'll do. The bike's been sitting in the sun for about 4 hours and the battery is now completely fully charged. So now all we need to do is build the cabin, stick these on top, and we can go off on an adventure.
That's all for part 3. Thanks for watching.